In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see tags in Obsidian. First, let's start by opening Obsidian. You will notice the familiar interface of your workspace. This is where all your notes and files are organized. Opening the application is your gateway to accessing the powerful features it offers. Once you have Obsidian open, your mind will start to align with the creative possibilities within. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything you will do next. You are about to delve into the world of tags, which can significantly enhance your note-taking experience. Next, look to the top right corner of the window. Here you will see the tags icon located in the right sidebar. This icon resembles a small label or tag and is an essential tool for navigating your notes. Clicking on this icon will initiate a crucial action. It serves as a direct link to all the tags you have created within your vault. This is important because it allows you to organize your notes effectively and find related content quickly. Once you click the tags icon, the tags pane will open. This pane displays a comprehensive list of all the tags you have in your vault. You will see them arranged neatly, each representing specific topics or categories of your notes. This organization helps you visualize your content and understand how your notes relate to one another. By having all your tags in one place, you can streamline your workflow. It saves you time when searching for specific notes later on. This little step is a game changer for maintaining clarity in your work. From there, you can click on any tag from the list. Doing so will reveal every note that contains that particular tag. As you click, you will see the corresponding notes populate on your screen. This action is significant because it allows you to access related information quickly. You don't have to scroll through all your notes manually. Instead, you can focus on the specific area of interest. This functionality not only makes your note management easier, but also enhances your ability to connect ideas. Now, let's recap what we've done. We opened Obsidian, accessed the tags icon, and viewed all the tags available in your vault. We also learned how to click on a tag to find related notes. Each step you took is designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your note-taking process. By utilizing tags effectively, you can categorize your information and retrieve it when needed, which is essential for efficient knowledge management. In conclusion, seeing tags in Obsidian is a simple yet powerful way to organize your notes. You now have the tools to navigate your vault more effectively. Remember, tags are more than just labels. They are a way to structure your thoughts and ideas. By following these steps, you are well on your way to mastering your note-taking with Obsidian. Thank you for watching, and happy tagging!